Good afternoon. It is Monday, August 18th, I think. And while I was out in Sturgis, I had asked numerous booths out there when they were going to have the Ciro3d Chicane mirrors. And I've got all the other Chicane lines. If you see my previous videos, you know, we've got the highway pegs, the brakes, the boards, the passenger boards, the shifter on the other side. So I wanted to complete the line because, I mean, the mirrors, factory mirrors are okay, but at the end of the day, nothing special. I wanted something a little different. When I was on the Great American Convoy for a couple days this summer, I saw Adam Sandoval's bike, and he had the Chicane line mirrors on his bike, and it was the first time I'd seen them in person. So I've been waiting diligently for these things to get here, and last week they finally did. They came in. I was able to place an order, and they had them here in 2 days. I mean, look, you can't say enough about Ciro3ds, but we're gonna go put those on. So here's what our stock looks like. All right, nothing special. They work, but there's nothing special. So let's see what these suckers look like once I get them on. All right, install was complete. Pretty simple, 5 minutes. Took me longer to find my tools. I had to move the wife's car out of the garage. I just couldn't get to the toolbox to find what I needed. But it took me longer to do that than to do the install. So piece of cake. Didn't bore you with the install because literally it's just 2 screws out, 2 screws in. And of course I have the Advan Black carbon fiber hand guards. I love these things. In the heat in Alabama, it's nice to be able to pull these out and get some airflow in, but still not lose the look. But so that's the only difference, is getting those installed with the mirrors. But here they are. You can tell right there, it's just a lot better look, more streamlined than the stock, right? Definitely a big fan of all the Chicane line from Ciro3d. No, I am not sponsored by Ciro3d. I pay for everything that I put on this bike. Me and the wife do. And so there is nothing here that I have ever received free. Although I won't turn it down. If some of you guys want me to test some products, send them out. Because I'm always messing around on this thing, and as much miles as we ride, I think we'd be good testers for you. But Chicane line, mirrors, Ciro3d, love them. They're awesome. Perfect. Short and sweet today. Y'all have a good one.